Imagine waking up every morning with a clear sense of purpose, where doubts and fears no longer have the power to control your thoughts. Picture a life where you're not just reacting in the world around you, but actively shaping it with the strength of your mind. What if I told you that this isn't just a fantasy, but something within your reach right now? Our minds are like fertile soil. Whatever we plant there, whether it's positive or negative, grows and shapes the way we experience life. Every thought, every belief, every story you tell yourself is like a seed. Over time, these seeds take root and become the mental programming that drives your actions, decisions, and ultimately your destiny. But what if the seeds that have been planted in your mind aren't serving you? What if they're the weeds of self-doubt, fear, and negativity choking out your potential? The truth is, many of us are living with a mind that's been programmed by others, by society, by past experiences, by the opinions of those around us. And this programming can keep us stuck, repeating the same patterns, feeling trapped in a cycle we can't break free from. But here's the thing, your mind is not set in stone. It's not a fixed entity that you're stuck with for life. It's incredibly malleable, capable of change, growth, and transformation. The key lies in reprogramming it deliberately, consciously, and powerfully. Now, you might be wondering how do you even begin to reprogram something as complex as the mind? It starts with understanding that every single thought you entertain, every belief you hold, is like a piece of code in your mental software. And just like with any software, if the code isn't working for you, you can rewrite it. The strategy I'm about to share with you is simple yet profound. It's about taking from a passive receiver of thoughts to an active creator. You see, most of us go through life accepting our thoughts as they are, never questioning them, never challenging the negative ones that hold us back. But what if you could rewrite those thoughts? What if you could plant new, empowering beliefs that align with the life you want to live? This strategy is about replacing the mental weeds with seeds of empowerment, positivity, and possibility. It's about consciously choosing your thoughts, feeding your mind with ideas and beliefs that serve your highest good. And as you do this, something incredible happens. Your mind begins to shift. The old programming starts to fade away, replaced by a new, more powerful operating system, one that's aligned with your true potential. So, if you're tired of living with a mind that works against you, if you're ready to take control and start living with purpose, this strategy is your key. It's time to stop letting your mind run on autopilot and start reprogramming it for success, fulfillment, and unstoppable confidence.